Yes.
Hello there foodies, it's your girl Clenam and welcome to my channel. Today is all about this easy but juicy oven grilled salmon recipe. So without wasting your time, let's dive right in. All the ingredients will be stated in the description box below, so make sure you check them out. We're about to start, guys, and our first step is going to be to chop our tomatoes, as you can see, and after that is going to be the turn of my garlic, which I'm going to squash with my knife, and then I'm going to go ahead and chop my parsley as well. Done with the chopping, cutting, and crushing, it's now time to proceed because we need more flavors and aromas. So I'm going to add my olive oil, followed by some black pepper, chili flakes, and some salt. And then with a spoon or a wooden ladle, just mix everything together. At this point, you can add some Maggi cube or I don't know, or any sort of flavor enhancer if that's your preference. I normally don't, because I feel like when it comes to salmon, when it comes to fresh salmon, all you need is a few simple ingredients to optimize your results. It is now time to concentrate on the main character of the show, which is our salmon, to which I'm going to add some olive oil, followed by black pepper, chili flakes, and salt. Now, it is important to add generous amounts of the spices and salt because we're not adding any sort of stock cube, but please do not also exaggerate. Our final step is going to be to just place this in a casserole, sprinkle our parsley on top of it, and then add some oil if that's your preference. And we're going to place this in the oven for 40 minutes at 195 degrees, and voila, this is what you're going to get. Our easy, simple but juicy lunch or dinner is ready. As usual, if you loved what you saw, if you like what you see, please do not forget to support this channel by subscribing, liking, and sharing. And hey, thanks for your time and thanks for watching. Bye bye.